Etisalat didn't become Nine Mobile because it lacked customers. It became Nine Mobile because one business decision became too expensive to sustain. In 2013, for example, Etisalat Nigeria borrowed $1.2 billion from a consortium of 13 Nigerian banks. Why? They wanted to grow the network, and they were growing at a very fast pace. It looked like the right decision. They had over 20 million subscribers already. The brand was strong. The business was moving and growing. Everything looked fine from the outside. Then the environment suddenly changed. What changed? Naira collapsed. And that changed everything for Etisalat, because that $1.2 billion loan was denominated in dollars. As the Naira lost value, the real cost of repaying that debt kept on rising. Not because they borrowed more, but because the currency they were earning in wasn't worth so much anymore. What looked manageable in 2013 became impossible just 3 years after, by 2016. They tried to restructure, they negotiated with the banks to restructure the loan, nothing worked. And by 2017, the UAE parent company had seen enough, just enough. They walked away, withdrew their shareholding, gave the Nigerian operators 3 weeks to stop using the brand name Etisalat. And that was when it changed to Nine Mobile. 20 million subscribers woke up to a new and rebranded network. A name most of them didn't choose, a name most of them didn't ask for. In my take, the economy didn't destroy Etisalat, it exposed what was already fragile. And this is the part nobody talks about. Etisalat wasn't a failing business. It had customers, it had revenue, it had market presence. What it didn't have was enough structural resilience to survive when the conditions shifted. The moment one variable changed, which is the exchange rate, the entire foundation came under pressure. And that is the real lesson. The real lesson a lot of businesses must learn. You must learn to build, not only to win, but also to survive when everything is no longer going well. Low cost, stable currency, growing demand. The business may look healthy today, but the true test of any business isn't how it performs in good conditions. It's how it holds up and adapts when the conditions change. Because conditions always do change. In real estate, in food industry, in logistics, in any kind of industry, the businesses that last are not always the ones that grew the fastest. They are the ones that built enough margin, enough income streams, enough capacity to adapt and to keep going, to keep moving even when the market shifts. So my take for you today is, don't just build a business that grows when times are good. Build one that can stand when times change. I'll see you again on my Take podcast.